The polarizing political movements of 21st century Europe demand much less of their followers. They do not espouse a full blown ideology, and thus they don't require violence or terror police. They want their clerks to defend them, but they do not force them to proclaim that black is white, that war is peace, and that state farms have achieved 1000% of their planned production. Most of them don't deploy propaganda that conflicts with everyday reality. And yet, all of them depend, if not on a big lie, then on what the historian Timothy Snyder once told me should be called the medium size lie. To put it differently, all of them encourage their followers to engage, at least part of the time, with an alternative reality. Sometimes that alternative reality has developed organically. Most often, it's been carefully formulated with the help of modern marketing techniques, audience segmentation, and social media campaigns. Americans are, of course, familiar with the ways a lie can increase polarization and inflame xenophobia. Long before he ran for president, Donald Trump entered American politics promoting birtherism, the false premise that President Barack Obama was not born in America, a conspiracy theory whose power was seriously underestimated at the time. But in at least two European countries, Poland and Hungary, we now have examples of what happens when a medium sized lie, a conspiracy theory, is propagated first by a political party as the central plank of its election campaign, and then by a ruling party with the full force of a modern centralized state apparatus behind it. In Hungary, the lie is unoriginal. It is the belief, now promoted by the Russian government and many others, in the superhuman powers of George Soros, the Hungarian Jewish billionaire who is supposedly plotting to destroy Hungary.